Which YouTube TV shows are popular? The popularity of shows on YouTube TV depends on the networks it offers and viewer preferences. YouTube TV provides access to hit shows from major networks like ABC, NBC, FOX, CBS, and popular cable channels. Below are some of the most popular YouTube TV shows by category. 1. Drama. Grey's Anatomy, ABC, a long-running medical drama with an engaged fan base. The Good Doctor, ABC, a show about a young surgeon with autism and savant syndrome. Yellowstone, Paramount Network, a neo-Western drama that has gained massive popularity. Second comedy. The Simpsons, Fox, iconic animated comedy with universal appeal. Brooklyn Nine-Nine, NBC, a beloved workplace comedy set in a police precinct. Bob's Burgers, Fox, a quirky animated sitcom with a dedicated fan base. 3. Reality TV. The Bachelor, The Bachelorette, ABC, a staple of reality TV with millions tuning in for the drama and romance. Survivor, CBS, a competition show with strategic gameplay and physical challenges. The Masked Singer, Fox, a singing competition with a mystery twist. 4th, news and talk shows. 60 Minutes, CBS, a long-standing investigative news program. The Tonight Show, starring Jimmy Fallon, NBC, popular late-night comedy and talk show. Good Morning America, ABC, a widely watched morning news and lifestyle program. Sunday Night Football, NBC, one of the most watched sports programs in the US. Monday Night Football, ESPN, a fan favorite for NFL viewers. NBA on ESPN, live games and analysis during the basketball season. 6. Lifestyle and cooking. Fixer Upper, HGTV, a home renovation show featuring Chip and Joanna Gaines. Chopped, Food Network, a cooking competition with unique ingredients and challenges. Property Brothers, HGTV, a real estate and home makeover show. 7. Crime and True Stories. NCIS, CBS, a procedural drama centered around Navy-related crime investigations. Law and Order, Special Victims Unit, NBC, a popular crime drama with gripping stories. Dateline NBC, true crime stories with investigative reporting. 8. Kids and Family. Bluey, Disney Junior, a beloved animated show for kids and parents alike. SpongeBob SquarePants, Nickelodeon, a classic animated series with enduring appeal. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Disney Junior, an educational and entertaining show for young children.